Welcome back, everyone. We got an unboxing to do today. It's from ezarctools. Of course, it just about empty out all the glue sticks. Here's their glue gun. Very nice. I had a glue gun, but this little stand was missing and it wasn't really working great actually. That's just safety needs and directions and stuff on how to use it. I think I know how to use a heat gun, so I won't use that. But I will try to, is that part of it? Guess that's like a cap. Go ahead and just a cap. Go ahead and drop all these glue sticks in there. Go ahead and unhook the cord. We will be using this on multiple things. I got to use it on my RC case that I built. This one ain't cordless. They had a cordless one where it's pink. But I do have a glue gun I found. It's a cordless one for like $8 I bought on eBay. I have that one come because I have a large quantity of really small glue sticks, so these big glue guns really don't like them. But ezarctools included some glue sticks that should be way more than enough to finish my project until that one gets here. And after this, we'll be going to go work on my boat. Basically, you gotta glue all this down in there. Oh, there's a power switch on it. Didn't even see that. Some of these have them, some of them don't. But I caught it. Curious how fast it's going to heat up. So it was on before. I don't know what that deal was about, but no, it's on, I guess. Hey. Heat up a little more. It's not quite there yet. Let's go ahead and put another one in there. Okay. Well, next video is going to be me working on the belt, so that's part 2. So if you guys been waiting for that, I suggest to just wait, and then next video after this will be it. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't, leave a comment, share this video, and I will put a link in the description to this heat gun. And I want to say big thanks to ezarc for sending this out, and yeah, so catch you on the next one.